So hi everyone, welcome back to the CPQ continuation series. So today we would be starting with the practical implementation of our Salesforce CPQ. This would be beneficial to both who are new to the Salesforce ecosystem and for ones who are preparing for your CPQ certifications. So it would be a mixed blend of both the things. I would tell you that what are the things and how to get started with this. Right, so this I am having up my Salesforce CPQ developer edition. So how you can see this is you can go over to the Chrome or any browser. You can type in CPQ developer edition, go to the first link provided by Trailhead, and if you have already done this you can skip this part. And what you have to do is you first, I just recommend to start working with the CPQ trailheads because they are very much helpful. So while you are understanding with the video series, also try to go and implement these important steps. So if you see, this is sign up for a free Salesforce developer edition. So from here you just need to type in your details and you would receive a email on your registered email. Sometime what happens is the sign up button is doesn't work. So and solution to this would be go into the incognito and hit this URL, then it does perfectly work. But yeah, currently it's working fine, but sometimes it poses a problem, so just wanted to highlight that.